Before we can get in and start checking out services, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to sign into the console. So to do that, you're going to need an AWS account. Now I'm here at aws.amazon.com/console, then I can click sign into the console. So you can have a few options. You can either sign in with a root user or an IAM user, which we'll talk about later, or you can create a new AWS account. So you can click on create a new AWS account, and then from here, you're going to have to type in an email address, a password for your account, and the AWS account name. So the one thing that I do want to tell you is remember when we clicked on sign into the console and there was two types of ways to sign in, a root account or an IAM account. The email address that you use here to create an AWS account, that's going to be your root account. And by best practice, you really only want to use the root account if you absolutely have to. What you'd rather do is you're going to want to sign in with an IAM account. Again, we're going to talk about all of that. So I'm going to type in an email address, a password, and an account name here, and then I'll click the continue button. Once you click the continue button, there's going to be some contact information here. So the first is going to be account type. Now the account type, for instance, if it's professional, that's maybe if you're working for an organization and the organization is spinning up AWS for the first time. And then you also have personal. So that's what I'm really going to be using, and probably what you're going to be using as well as that personal account, because you're just getting started with AWS. So you could type in all of your information here. You're going to have to indicate that you have read and agreed to the terms of the AWS customer agreement, and then you can click create account and continue. So then after that, you should be good to go and able to drive forward with logging into your AWS account.